Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Imam Firitanga, and my name is 0903-1282-328-039 from System Information Program, Computer of Science Faculty, Sriwijaya University, CREC 4C class. So let's start. Number one, directory instructor. Uh, Create a main directory name underscore nama inside slash home slash mahasiswa slash. So here's the code. I use sudo and mkdir to make the directory name slash home slash mahasiswa slash my name underscore my name. And then inside that directory, create three subdirectories, name, dokumen, kode, and arsip. Here's the code. I use sudo mkdir to make subdirectories name, dokumen, kode, and arsip. Here's the path of the directories that I've been made. And then display the directory to structure using the appropriate command. Here's the code. I use cd slash home slash mahasiswa slash my name underscore my name. Here's the code that to use display the directory that have been made. So here's the code is there, and then it display arsip, dokumen, dan kode. And next, file manipulation. Create a file name identitas txt inside the document directory containing the following information. Nama mahasiswa, nim mahasiswa, prodi, program studi. Here's the code. I use sudo touch identitas, and then I use sudo nano identitas to create the following information. This one. So here's the output. Nama Muhammad Imam Firitanga, NIM 090312823829, and prodi sistem informasi. Next, copy the identitas txt file into the arsip direct. Copy the identitas txt file into the arsip directory and rename it to identitas backup txt. So here's the code. I use sudo cp and then slash dokumen slash identitas and then slash arsip slash identitas backup. That identitas backup is the rename of the identitas directory. And then move the identitas txt file to the code directory. I use sudo cp slash dokumen slash identitas and slash kode. And then to out from the arsip directory, use the cd and the directory that we want to use. Like this one is kode. And then use code cat identitas to display the directory identitas txt move to the code directory. And then it displays like this. It displays like this. And then display the contents of identitas backup.txt using the appropriate command. I use db underscore archive to use directory archive, and then use cat code to display identitas backup directory, and then it display name, nama, nim, and prodi. Next, uh, next is access permission settings. Grant the file owner read and write permissions. Allow the group to read only and deny access to others for identitas backup.txt. I use the code sudo chmod 640 identitas underscore backup, and sorry, and then change the ownership of identitas underscore backup.txt so that it belongs to the root user and the staff group. So here's the code. I use sudo count root staff identitas underscore backup, and then display the file's permission and ownership information after making change. So here's the code to display the file permissions and ownership information Here's the code ls min l identitas underscore backup. So here's sorry. Sorry. So here's the output like this. And then create a file name referency underscore name txt containing the following text. The following text is ini adalah dokumentasi sistem operasi milik nama mahasiswa dengan nim mahasiswa. Here's the code. I use sudo mkdir to make the referency underscore my name directory, and then I use code cd to use directory referency underscore name. Then I use sudo touch referency underscore name and nano referency underscore name to make the following text like this, and use cat code to display the output that I made before, and then create a symbolic link to referency underscore name txt named shortcut underscore name txt. I use this code to make the symbolic link. I use sudo ln minus s referency underscore name shortcut underscore name. And then display the list of files in the directory along with their attributes to ensure the link has been created. So here's the code ls min l to display. Here's the information of the symbolic link, and then modify the contents of reference name txt to documentation has been made update by student name. So here's the code sudo nano referency underscore name, and then display the content of shortcut name txt. And what happens? So here's the display cat shortcut name, and then here's the display what happens. It happens. It display the following text from the reference underscore name, but we use code to display shortcut. So it means if we use code display shortcut is it display a reference underscore name too. And then check the default Umax value on your system. Here's the code Umax. On my value on my system Umax is 002, and then change the Umax to 027 and create a new file named data underscore name txt. Use the code Umax 027, and then sudo mkdir data underscore name, and then code cd data underscore name, and then display the file permission of data underscore name txt after creation. Here's the code Umax 00 0027, and then code cd to use directory data underscore name, and then Umax 0027, and then use the code ls min ld. Here's the output. It display like this, and then use ls min l. It display like this. And the last, explain how changing the Umax affects the permissions of newly created files. Initially, the Umax is 0002. The group could write to the file, but after changing the Umax to 0027, the group can only read but cannot write. And it means other users have no access at all after the Umax change, and the directory is still empty. Total is 0, meaning no files have been created or moved yet. So that's all my mid-semester exam. Thanks for attention. Goodbye.